The ANC government is planning to go and protest at the United States Embassy over the arrest of the Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. And I have to admit, the ANC, Abo Ramaphosa, Fikile Mbalula, all these guys are very brave because nowadays no one is looking to fight for human rights. Everybody is looking for their investments and their stomachs, especially when it comes to the USA. Everybody is scared of the US. So these guys are very, very brave. And rightfully so, because they've been through the many atrocities. They've seen it. Abu Ramaphosa have seen live on what the US is capable of, because the US, don't forget, the reflection of the apartheid government. There's no difference between the USA and the apartheid government, because the USA does anything they want with impunity. They don't care about any human rights. They are violating everything. So Abu Ramaphosa, they are doing a very great job, and even I will be joining this march to the US Embassy, because this is very important. As people, we shouldn't be looking at our money as to how much I will gain or how much I will lose. We should be looking at the human life, the human experience, the people. Like on this earth, that's what we are here for. We are not here to spend money. We are here to experience life with other people. So remember, even with Israel and Gaza and the ICJ, International Court of Justice, or International, ICJ, whatever, but like abbreviations, right? So they went to court, actually took Israel to the International Court, citing, I don't even want to mention that G word, you know what it is. So those kinds of things are what separates South Africa from the rest of the world. That's why the US is looking at South Africa very closely. And remember another thing, Abu Ramaphosa, Abu Fikile Mbalula, they're actually risking their lives. Don't think the US doesn't see what the ANC is doing. They are looking at them directly. And they're just looking for an opportunity to do something. But Abu Ramaphosa have been through this before. They've dealt with governments that are insane. I mean, the apartheid government was right here with them, with Abu Ramaphosa negotiating. So the USA is very far off. I mean, they can do the worst thing, but they can't do worse than the apartheid government that was here kidnapping Abu Ramaphosa's uncle, Fikile Mbalula's aunts, and their family members while they are fighting the apartheid government. So what the ANC is doing is very commendable.